some tutorial transmission done.
This week, sir.
I would have happened somewhere. And he carried must have done no more. He carried done 4 years. And he did 3. So yeah, do I want to bring him?
Yes, sir?
Yeah, I want to bring him.
I think he might do that and done.
Enough transmission on those good.
All right.
Muslim are transmission out this year.
Who got?
Muslim.
Zai?
Yeah.
He's bringing them in?
Muslim take off your and put on gearbox.
Okay.
You go buy Muslim wood. 60,000 or something like that.
Nah, that is too much.
But then again, them things scares you, you know.
He can ship it in and done, man.
Can't do it. Mom, I know why I come when you want. Don't be mad, man, you see.
Yes, what I'm doing here now, I'm showing you that I have an unsupported SIM card in the phone. I swipe to unlock. See, there's a SIM network unlock pin. So what I did, I normally put a network code. I even tried to provide it, but I put network code right now. I can show you. It's the code that you provide is 4916. Anyway. Next to the supermarket. Straight to the back next to the supermarket. You're welcome. Done. So I select unlock now. It says network unlock request unsuccessful. I can even try provider and show you it's the same thing. Right, it's 75292937. Done. So that's unlock unsuccessful. So I also update this phone, which does not make any sense. What I'm asking is that if possible that you can check with the server to see if maybe they made a mistake with the code, because as you see here, that's the information received from you, and I'm trying the same information and it's showing clear. There's a phone I have in my hands here. So I know you request a video and maybe just able to get your refund, but the refund is not the problem. The problem is that I need this phone to be unlocked. So let me try it again and show you. This is the same phone. I can let me go down here. Let me go and show you dismiss. Let me go and show you the IMEI number of the phone. It's the same as that's a star pound 06 pound. You see that's the IMEI number for the phone there shown. 03, that's the year, so we don't need that part, just first 15 digits. I click OK. Same phone I have in my hands. What I can do now, I can power it off and restart. So when I restart this phone, it will basically enter the unlock screen for me, because it's unsupported SIM card, which is from a different service provider. So I'll be happy if you can try this unlock code again via another network, or I don't want to go and buy from another seller. When I saw you have good reputation, so I would suspect that you resubmit the IMEI, and just let's see what's going on from there. I will double check the IMEI again here with you to see what's going on, but it's just not working. That's the unlock box pop up there. See? So what I'll do now, I'll enter the code. See, network unlock pin. The network code says 49169. 49169. 790. And I click unlock. See, same thing again. So I'm just showing what's going on. I'll try to upload this video now for you so you can make a decision, but I prefer if you can try reorder the code, because someone is actually waiting on this code for me.